Today, I'm walking you through one of those tasks that sounds a little tricky, but is actually very straightforward once you know the steps. How to copy a template, theme, or module to another HubSpot account using HubSpot's built-in tools. Whether you're managing multiple brands, working with different clients, or just need to move your favorite layout somewhere new, by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly transfer assets between HubSpot accounts like a pro. Let's dive right in. First up, you need to get to the Design Manager inside HubSpot. Depending on how your navigation is set up, you'll find this either under the Content menu as Design Manager, or if you're in the Marketing section, look for Files and Templates, then click on Design Tools. It might seem like a tiny detail, but knowing where to start saves a lot of time looking around later, especially if your team uses different menu layouts. Take a moment to make sure you're in the right place before moving forward. Now, on the left-hand panel that HubSpot calls the Finder, take a look through your folders and files. Here's where you'll find your templates, themes, or modules. If your library is pretty packed, you can use the search bar at the top to speed things up, or expand folders to see all your assets at a glance. When you've found the specific item you want to copy, maybe it's a tried-and-true blog post template, a hero theme your client loves, or a module you customized for lead generation, click to select it. Carefully double-check that it's the correct asset, especially if you have several versions. Making sure you pick the right one here will save headaches down the road. To actually kick off the copying process, you have two super simple methods. Look at the top of the file editor for the File drop-down menu, then click Copy to Different Account. Or if you prefer working directly from the Finder panel, you can right-click the asset's name and select Copy to Different Account from the menu that pops up. Both routes do exactly the same thing, so pick whichever feels most natural to you. If you don't see the option right away, check your permissions or make sure you're in the Design section and not just browsing files. A dialog box is going to appear, and this is where you'll actually choose your destination account. Find the Destination Account drop-down menu. It'll list all HubSpot accounts you have access to, maybe your agency's portals, client accounts, or test environments. Select the account you want to copy the template, theme, or module into. Take your time with this step. Picking the correct account ensures your work ends up in the right place. If you're unsure which is which, you can cross-reference account IDs or names. No need to rush here. When you're ready, click Copy Assets. HubSpot will start transferring the selected asset over to the destination account you chose. This part might take a few moments, especially if your template or theme is hefty, so don't worry if you need to wait for a little confirmation to pop up. Once you see the confirmation, you're done. Your template, theme, or module is now safely copied, ready for you or your team to use in another HubSpot account. It's like giving your best work a new home without any messy export-import headaches. And that's it. You've just moved a digital asset smoothly between HubSpot accounts using the built-in tool. If this tutorial helped you, let me know by hitting the like button. And if you have any questions or run into a snag, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear, step-by-step tutorials to make your HubSpot workflows smoother. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.